So Tulsi and holy basil is my number one. Have you tried it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I love this stuff. This got me through residency. I mean, especially internship. I had this thermos, and I would put a tea ball, and we had lockers at Swedish, so I would just keep like a 10 of the tea in my locker, and we had one of those water things that had the hot water on it, and I would just refill my tea in my thermos. We wore white coats, so I would like wear it in my white coat, and it was kind of ridiculous, but it so helped me. I mean, it's really, really anti-anxiety. It's very good for the HPA axis. It's really good for your adrenal glands. It's very antioxidant, so there's theories brewing about how kind of stress causes oxidation in the body, and if you have an antioxidant, you can actually decrease stress. So more evidence is slowly coming in, but it's been used for thousands of years in India. And it also has some